If you love yogurt and care about gut health, this might be one of the most powerful yogurt makers you can buy. This is the ultimate probiotic yogurt maker, a best-selling machine designed to help you make trillions of live probiotics right at home with total control over time and temperature. What really stands out is the adjustable temperature range from 68 to 131 degrees Fahrenheit and a runtime of up to 48 hours, which is perfect for culturing high-potency probiotic yogurt or thick Greek yogurt. It comes with two large 1-quart glass containers, so you can make bigger batches at once. Everything is 100% BPA-free, and the yogurt tastes fresher and cleaner than store-bought without added sugar or preservatives. Pros: excellent probiotic potential, precise control, large glass containers, simple operation, and a lifetime warranty, which is rare in this category. Cons: it's not the smallest appliance, and because fermentation can take longer, it's not ideal if you want yogurt fast. Overall, if gut health and homemade probiotic yogurt matter to you, this yogurt maker is a smart long-term investment, especially at its current discount. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest tech and home product reviews.